Life is full of uncertainties. While most days go by without major incidents, thank goodness, it's important to recognize that unexpected events can disrupt our daily routines in significant ways.
These SHTF scenarios, though they might sound dramatic, highlight situations that could potentially impact our lives dramatically.
Earthquakes can strike without much warning, especially in areas along fault lines like California or Japan. A strong earthquake can cause buildings to collapse, disrupt utilities, and create chaos in cities. The immediate aftermath can make it difficult to access food, water, and medical care. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, tornadoes, or massive thunderstorms can develop rapidly. These storms can lead to flooding, power outages, and infrastructure damage.
For instance, a sudden hurricane making landfall could evacuate millions of people and leave communities struggling to recover. We've seen that over and over again.
Our modern society relies heavily on electricity. A widespread grid failure, caused by anything from cyber attacks to severe solar storms, could shut down homes, businesses, and all essential services.
Without power, basic needs like heating, refrigeration, and communication become challenging or completely non existent.
As our dependence on technology grows, so does the risk of cyber attacks. Hackers could target critical systems like banking, healthcare, and transportation, leading to financial chaos, compromised personal information, or even disruption of medical services. And all of these things have happened already on a smaller scale. A sudden and severe drop in the stock market can lead to widespread financial panic. This could result in the loss of savings, unemployment, and decreased consumer spending.
These ripple effects can impact businesses of all sizes and lead to a prolonged economic downturn.
If inflation rates soar unexpectedly, the cost of living can increase rapidly, as we've found out.
Essentials like food, housing, and fuel become more expensive. That sounds familiar. Putting a strain on households and potentially leading to social unrest as people struggle to afford even basic needs.
While the world is still recovering from recent pandemic issues, the emergence of a new infectious disease could spread quickly, overwhelming healthcare systems once again.
Without effective treatments or vaccines, managing such a crisis becomes incredibly challenging.
The deliberate release of harmful biological agents could cause widespread illness and fear. Governments and health organizations would need to respond swiftly to contain the threat and provide medical care to affected populations.
Political tensions, economic hardships, or social injustices can lead to protests and, in extreme cases, riots.
Civil unrest can disrupt daily life, damage property, and strain law enforcement resources, making it difficult for communities to function normally. In severe cases, if law enforcement agencies are overwhelmed or they fail to maintain order, it can lead to a breakdown of society.
This scenario can create a dangerous environment where crime rates soar and personal safety becomes a significant concern.
In regions that are prone to dry conditions, wildfires can spread rapidly, destroying homes, wildlife habitats, and entire communities. The smoke and ash can also affect air quality, leading to health issues for people even far away from the fire's origin.
Prolonged droughts or contamination of water sources can lead to severe water shortages.
And while all these scenarios may seem daunting, they're real. And being prepared can make a significant difference in how we handle these types of unexpected events. Here are some basic steps to consider. The emergency kit, obviously, you need one. Having a kit with your essentials like the water, the non perishable food, first aid supplies, flashlights, batteries, that can all help you survive during the initial hours after a disaster. Stay informed. Keep up with local news and weather forecasts. Understanding the risks in your area can help you prepare better. And develop that plan and work on it. Knowing what to do in various emergency situations, like where to meet your family members or how to evacuate your home, can reduce panic and ensure safety.
Build community ties. Strong community networks can provide support during crises. Neighbors helping neighbors can make a significant difference in recovery efforts.
While it's impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty, being aware of all of these potential real life SHTF scenarios can help us prepare and respond effectively.
By understanding these risks and the fact that they are real and can happen any day, and taking proactive steps, we can enhance our resilience and ensure that we're better equipped to handle whatever challenges come our way.